Hello, welcome back to Saving Planning today. Our topic is 10 things you should stop buying to save money. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever checked your bank account and thought, wait, where did all my money go? You didn't buy a car. You didn't go on vacation. You didn't do anything crazy. Yet your money vanished. That's because most people don't lose money in big chunks. They lose it slowly through habits that feel normal. In today's video, I'm breaking down 10 things you should stop buying if you want to save money fast, especially if you live in the US and feel stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle. No extreme budgeting. No misery, just smarter choices. Why small spending is more dangerous than big spending. Here's a psychological truth. Your brain ignores small expenses because they don't feel painful. A $5 coffee doesn't hurt. A $12 lunch doesn't hurt. But combined, they wreck your budget. Financial concept. Death by 1,000 cuts, small spending repeats daily. Big spending is rare. That's why cutting habits, not happiness, is the fastest way to save money. Daily coffee runs the sneakiest money leak. Let's slow this down and really look at it. Most Americans spend $5, $7 per coffee. Simple diagram visual for video. $6 5 days equals $30 week. $30 times 4 weeks equals $120 per month. $120 times 12 months equals $1,440 year. That's rent money. That's debt payoff money. That's emergency fund money. Smart Swap. Brew at home on weekdays, treat yourself on weekends. You still enjoy coffee, just not the financial damage. Eating out when you're just tired or lazy. Eating out isn't bad. Eating out without thinking is the problem. Fast food feels cheaper until you add it up. Example, home-cooked meal, $4, $6 takeout plus delivery fees, $18, $25. Daily routine fix. Create a lazy meal list. Frozen meals, rotisserie chicken, simple pasta, eggs and toast. When food is easy, you won't overspend.
Impulse online shopping. Amazon is not your friend. Online shopping is engineered to beat your willpower. One-click buy, free shipping, flash deals, psychology trick. Your brain confuses want with need. Rule that saves money. Add to cart. Wait 48 hours. Revisit later. Most items won't feel necessary anymore. Too many streaming subscriptions. Let's be honest, you don't watch all of them. Cost breakdown. 6 services times $15 equals $90. Month $90 times 12 equals $1,080. Year, that's insane for entertainment. Smart move. Keep 1 to 2 services, rotate monthly, cancel aggressively. Entertainment shouldn't cost a paycheck. Brand name groceries, you're paying for a label. Most store brand products come from the same factories, same ingredients, same quality, lower price. Grocery rule. Buy generic for rice, pasta, cereal, frozen foods, cleaning supplies. You can save 10 to 30% per trip. Gas station snacks and convenience stores. Gas stations sell convenience, not value. Example, energy drink, $4.50. Grocery store, $1.75. That difference adds up weekly. Habit hack. Keep water bottle, protein bar, snacks in your car. Preparation beats temptation. Cheap clothes that don't last. Fast fashion feels cheap until you rebuy it. Cheap clothes shrink, tear, fade fast. Better strategy. Buy fewer items. Choose better fabric. Thrift stores equals goldmine quality. Saves money. Long term.
Fees that do nothing for you. Fees are money burned. Examples: ATM fees, late fees, delivery fees, easy fixes. Set auto pay. Use bank ATMs, pick up food yourself. This alone can save hundreds per year. Unnecessary phone upgrades. New phones are cool. Debt is not. For your phone. Calls, texts, runs apps. You don't need an upgrade. Money rule. Use phones for 3 to 4 years minimum. Your wallet will thank you. App subscriptions and micropayments. $1.99. $4.99. $9.99. These are designed to feel harmless. Reality. Subscriptions you forget equals silent money leaks. Fix. Audit your apps every 3 months. Cancel ruthlessly. Extended warranties you'll never use. Most electronics already have coverage. Rarely break early extended warranties, mostly profit companies. Advice: skip unless it's expensive, high risk. Use daily lifestyle inflation, the silent killer. You earn more, you spend more, still broke. Rule: when income increases, increase savings first, lifestyle later. This separates rich people from broke people. What to do with the money you save? Saving without purpose leads to spending again. Give your money a job. 1. Emergency fund. 2. Pay off high-interest debt. 3. High-yield savings direction. Creates discipline. Why these changes actually work. You're not cutting joy, you're cutting waste. Saving money isn't about suffering, it's about control. Even fixing 5 habits here can save $3,000, $6,000 per year. That's life-changing money. Please answer these questions in description. Question number 1. Now let me ask you 3 curiosity-driven questions for my US viewers that usually spark real conversations in the comments. Question number 2. Before we wrap up, here are 3 thought-provoking questions for my US audience that really get people talking below. Question number 3. Let me hit you with 3 curiosity-based questions that keep my US audience engaged and commenting. If this video helped you even a little, smash that like button, subscribe to Saving Money for simple, real-world financial advice that actually works for Americans. Comment below, which habit are you quitting first? Thank you very much for watching and hope this video is very beneficial for you. See you so with next topic, your future self is counting on you.